major risk is over-indebtedness, and indeed some cases have been reported of debt restructuring of countries with the Chinese government source. There's not much ado about it in the news, but it has been the case, and we may see a repeat of the kind of experience that we had in the 70s, when the commodity prices went up the roof for the first oil price shock, during which deficit countries in the region, Latin America for instance, but also in other parts of the world, and particularly commodity producers, were able to roll over their debt by the recycling of petrodollars through the American and European banks, and that led to the huge debt crisis of the 80s, which led to the lost decade, for instance, in Latin America. It may well be that some of these countries will suddenly see themselves dragged into a debt crisis. I'm thinking of countries like Angola or even Venezuela, who borrowed money thinking of paying them with oil exported, but when the price of the oil was above $100 a barrel. So these countries, several of these countries may face in the next few years strong pressure from the debt service that they owe and can't pay.